Let us check the role chlorophyll plays in the preparation of food in the form of starch in plants doing an activity step by step. Step 1. Keep a leaf in boiling water for 5 minutes to soften it. Step 2. Dip this leaf in a test tube containing alcohol. Step 3. Place the test tube in a beaker containing boiling water. Wait until the leaf becomes colorless. Step 4. Take out the leaf and place it on a plate. Step 5. Now put a few drops of diluted iodine solution with the help of a dropper on the decolorized leaf. Wait for a few minutes and observe. Step 6. If the color of the leaf changes to blue-black, it indicates the presence of starch. Caution: alcohol should never be placed near a heat source directly, as it is highly flammable and can easily lead to fire and burns.